Hi everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to turn off the dark mode in Microsoft Word. So first, open Microsoft Word and go to File. Next, go to Account and look for Office Theme under the Account section. And here you have four options. The first one is Colorful. Just click on it and go back to the document to see how it looks. Now go back to File again and Account. And for the second option is dark gray. So basically everything is gray here. Go to Account, Office Theme, and for the white version, it's brighter and the toolbar is white instead of blue. The second way is to go to File again and click on Options. And here, in the Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office, you can change the Office theme from black to colorful, dark gray, or white. Let's select colorful. Then click on OK to save the changes. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.